Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in today's video we will talk about how you can create a file stream enabled database in SQL Server. Before we proceed ahead guys, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I would recommend please go ahead and do so right now. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon and select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. I will be creating more file stream videos, so I don't want you to miss any one of them because all of them are absolutely essential for you to enhance your knowledge. So please subscribe right away. I'm giving you 5 seconds. So guys, I hope you have subscribed by now. So let's move ahead. There are some points to remember while watching this video. Please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if it's possible for you, please watch this video twice or as many times as you like until the concept gets clear to you. Perform any exercises in your lab and test environments only. Do not touch any production environment or production databases. We would like to know your thoughts regarding our videos, so please do share your comments, feedbacks, reviews, suggestions, requirements, questions, any day-to-day experiences with SQL Server. You may let us know about any of the situation where my content has helped you somewhere in some way. So do post us your comments and your stories as well. We eagerly wait for your comments and stories and would love to read them. Alright, let's move ahead. We have created some playlists for you to watch. The reason we create playlists for you is because we feel that playlists are the best ways to learn. For example, if you want to learn about the database design area, what we would recommend is go to the SQL Server database design playlist and watch out all the videos from starting till the end to gain better grasp and understanding on that particular area. So we have created following playlist under the SQL Server domain. So these playlists are SQL Server database design, SQL Server tables, business continuity, indexing, performance tuning, integration services, transact SQL. And apart from that, I have a Python programming workshop playlist as well, which we have just started. We have posted more than 240 videos on our channel as of now, and number of videos are growing at a constant pace on a daily basis. And I have a channel page link as well. The links for all these playlists and my channel page link is also available in the video description area. So please check that out. Let's come back to today's topic, which is creating a file stream enabled database in SQL Server. So this will be a demo session, a mix of demo and little bit of theory, but mostly it would be a practical session. So let me take you to SQL Server quickly because we will be performing practicals in SQL Server. So basically today we will discuss on how to create a database that supports the file stream, because file stream uses a special type of file group, which is a file stream file group. And when you create a database, you must specify the contains file stream clause for at least one file group. All right. And a file stream file group can contain more than one file as well. For a code example, we will demonstrate you an example shortly on how to create a file stream file group that contains multiple files. So let's directly dive into that demo. Let's create a file stream enabled database. So first of all, let's connect to the default instance of the SQL Server, which I'm doing right now. So once I'm connected to the default instance of SQL Server, let me select the My AdventureWorks database. For you, it must be AdventureWorks database, simply AdventureWorks 2022, if you have downloaded the latest AdventureWorks database. Now, let me trigger a new query and let me write a code, a SQL code. So you may write that along with me. So I'm starting with the create database statement. So I'm creating a database and database name will be archive. Archive is the name of the database. I'm creating some of the files on primary file group. So I've specified primary, and some of the files I would like to create on the other file group, which is file group file stream group 1. So we don't have a file stream file group with the name file stream group 1 already exists in the system. Let's first define the files that are coming under the primary file group. So I have to define the logical name for that file. So name of this file will be arc1. All right. And the actual physical file name, I need to give the complete path. So let's store these files in the C drive data directory, and let's name this file as arcdat1.mdf. Let's give it this extension. So we have defined the files for the primary file group. What I'm doing is this bracket is not required here, and comma should come after the bracket. And let's define another file group, which is a file group I'm creating over here. File group name is FileStream Group 1, and basically I need to mention that it contains the file stream data. So you need to specify like this: file group, the name of the file group, and what it contains. It contains the file stream data. And let me give the file details here. So the name of the logical file will be arc3 over here. No need to put the logical name in the single quotes. And let's give a physical file name for this file. So physical file name for this file will be C drive data. And let's give this file name FileStream1. So FileStream files don't have any extension. And even we don't give the file names, we just give the directory name. So here the name of the directory will be FileStream1. And the logical name of this location is arc3. We have defined the FileStream file group here. Now let's define another item, which is log. So we should specify log on. So where do we want to create the log file for this database? So let's name this log file. The name of logical name of the log file will be arclog1, and the physical file name, if we talk about, it will be C drive data, and arclog will be the arclog1.ldf. Let's give this name. So arclog1.ldf is the file name for this log file. And yeah, we are done with our script. So this will create a one particular file under the primary file group, which is a primary data file. And we have created a file group named FileStream Group 1, and it contains the file stream data defined by this clause. The name of this file is arc3, and the file name is giving us the location for that particular file stream data file. And we are creating a log on. We have given the physical name to that file arclog1, and the physical location is this C drive data arclog1.ldf. Once you write this code, so this transact SQL code basically creates a file stream enabled database called archive. And in order to execute this script, you need this particular directory to pre-exist C drive data. So I don't think so I have C drive data directory in my system. So I need to check quickly. So on C drive, if I go here, I don't have just the data directory over here. If I sort by name, I do not see any data directory. So let's create a folder with the name data here. So this is a prerequisite, as we are giving the name data for the data location. All right, so this is done. And basically to build this database, we need to execute this set of script, a set of code. Let's execute it. So the command is completed successfully. Now we have a database name archive. So we can refresh the database list over here. So we have this archive database, and if we take a look at properties of this database over here, and we go to the file section, so we see we have three files over here: arc1, which is created on the primary file group, and the path for this file is C drive data, and the name of the physical file is arcdat1.mdf. And we have another logical name, and this is a file stream type data, and it's created under the file stream group 1, and the location is C drive data. That's it. I think in the code I've given file stream 1 as the location, and this is the container. Basically, this is the name of the container. We have mentioned file stream 1 is the name of the container. And let's go back to the other window. So the path will be C drive data, where the container will exist, and the container name will be file stream 1. So far it is not created yet, unless I put some file stream data. I think it will not initialize any container. We can also check the physical directory as well. So yeah, it has already created file stream 1 container. and we need permissions to read this folder. So let's see. So it has created some files under that. This one is the header file. We will talk about that shortly. This arc3 is a logical name of this file type, which contains the file stream data, and it's under the file stream file group, file stream group 1, and the path is this, and the name of the file group is file stream 1, which is not coming over here, but yeah, it exists. Third one is the arclog1 file, which is a log file, and it is under the C drive data directory, and the name of the file is arclog1.ldf. So alright, we have seen the configuration of the file. So let's go to SQL Server quickly. I'm not sure if it is closed, so I need to open it. So let's open SQL Server. It's opened already. So we have just seen the code which creates a database that is named archive, right? And this database contains 3 file groups: primary, arc1, and file stream group 1. Basically, this code contains 2 file groups: primary, and the second file group is file stream group 1. And if we talk about primary, primary here is a regular file group that cannot contain any file stream data, and file stream group 1 is a file stream file group. And for a file stream file group, if we say, which is this one, file name basically, here we have given some name. File name basically refers to the path. The path up to the last folder must exist, and the last folder must not exist. So this folder should not exist, and path up to this C drive data folder should exist before you can execute this code. Now in this example, C drive data must exist. However, the file stream 1 subfolder cannot exist when you execute the create database statement. So this is not a requirement, and they should not exist. That is the requirement. So after execution of this code, this folder gets automatically created with that name, so which is done. And when we run this particular script, we see that header file stream str is created. This file and fs log folder appears under the C drive data file stream 1 folder. And file stream str file is a header file for the file stream container, and the file stream str file is an important system file. So if we talk about this file stream str, this is an important system file. It contains the file stream header information. Please do not remove or modify this file. This is a word of caution. Please do not remove or modify this file. So guys, we are done with this topic. In today's video, we have talked about how you can create a file stream enabled database. We have shown you a demo how to do that. I hope you will go through the script once again in order to understand it better. Please watch the video twice if you haven't got the idea how I created the database. So this is the complete script. Go through it and go through the video material once again to get a better grasp. Now let me take you back to the slides. So guys, if you have really liked the content of this video, please click on the like button below this video. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Or if you are an old viewer who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I will be creating many more videos on FileStream, which I do not want you to miss under any circumstance. So it's very much essential that you subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. So once you are done with that, okay. Second request is, please do post in your comments, guys. Any comments, feedback, suggestions, reviews, requirements, questions, any day-to-day experiences with SQL Server. You may let us know about the situations where my content has helped you somewhere in some way. Do share us your stories and comments. We eagerly wait for them and would love to read the same. And also guys, if you have a good network of friends, please share my videos with your friends. Ask them to subscribe to my channel if they work in SQL Server domain. Alright guys, I thank you so much for your time on this video today, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Thanks guys.